Listen to this, guys. Look what I set up. I have this set up for our siren test today. So it's high noon right now. We are going to be doing so that's. My neighbors are probably going to be thinking, what the heck am I doing? Neighbors are probably thinking, what the heck am I doing right now? I'm not setting off that siren today. What we're actually doing is this. If you guys probably can't tell, but the deck is vibrating. We'll just do. Growl that dude. That one's still spinning. You see here. I set it to cool. One of my favorite settings. Kind of need it's gonna bump it. Model A isn't even spinning. Okay. Now we test this guy. Now we'll test this one. Okay, we'll give it a test. I know the garage is a bit messy, but we'll give it a quick test. So why not? Go back to the. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I kind of phone fell. What is it? Oh crap. I think I know why. Why is our siren not working here? Well, that siren will get tested later on. But yeah. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.